Hello, this is Dave at AFX Search, licensed investigators. One of the things you run into quite a bit is helping clients and getting an attorney to take their case. So how do you get a lawyer to take on your case? A lot of clients have some difficulty with an issue, whether it be a foreclosure issue, some type of lawsuit, civil case, to get an attorney or lawyer interested enough to take on their case. Even if you're willing to pay them, they may not want to take your case because they're unsure of how valid your claims are or how easy it's going to be to prosecute the case. A lot of times they're going to be looking for some type of evidence or discovery to back up what you're telling them. Look, you know yourself what your situation is, how you were harmed, what the damages that have been occurred to you by fraud or some other person taking action. The lawyer doesn't know that story. You've lived it for years possibly and know it inside and out. The attorney doesn't know it. So they want to have some legwork done. They don't want to have to do all this legwork to find out if your story is valid, because once they find that out, they've already spent a lot of time and money. So managing research for an attorney is a tough thing to do. It's hard to pass on that cost to the client, especially if at the end of the day, the research is done by somebody else and they have to manage it. There's a lot of expenses and time that the attorney has to take on. So they want an easy case. They want one that is going to be efficient for them to do. An investigative report will hand that information to the attorney on a silver platter. It'll give them all the information they need to know that the case is good and to go ahead with it without spinning their wheels a lot and not getting results for you, the client. Ask a lawyer what they would need to be able to do to take your case, what information they need, what facts they need to back up your claims, and then let us know and have us as investigators get that information for you so you can walk into the attorney with the paperwork, with the documentation to prove the story that you're telling, have it in a concise manner on a silver platter. That way, number one, you can get the attorney to take your case. Number two, your legal fees will likely be less because they won't have to manage all the evidence and discovery and researching the facts of your case to see if you have a valid claim and what the damages are. If you have more questions or want more information, you can reach us at our website, afxsearch.com.